How you doing, man? Could you tell me your name and what's in here?
My name's Daniel. I'm the owner of Ultimate Rides. This has two level 5 DC 18s in it.
Okay.
Base 15K. Some PRV mids and highs. Alternator. Boxes 10 to it plays for 42 really well, but it's tuned from 35 to like 48.
Okay. And what are you wired to on the amp?
1 ohm right now.
Okay. All right.
Play a little something for you.
Sure. Is it louder window down or up?
I mean, it don't matter, man. I don't really give a shit.
Okay. Sure.
I got the AC on, so you can get comfortable, man.
All right.
I'll play something for you.
Looks really good. Nice. And your seat goes up here?
Huh?
Your seat goes up here?
I can if I wanted to.
Oh, okay. Nice.
You know what? I like the players. No diggity, no doubt. Play on, play out. Play on, play out. Yo, Trey, drop the verse. Still moving this flavor with the homies Black Street and Teddy, the original rough shaker. Down to the block, baby got 'em open all over town. Strictly bitch, she don't play around, cover much ground, got game by the time. Getting paid with a good day, every day, to play away. I can't get her out of my mind. Wow, I think about the girl all the time. Wow. East side to the west side, pushing fat rides, it's no surprise. She got chicks in the stash, stacking up the cash, fast when it comes to the gas. By no means half-ass. She's got the half-ass. All black fit man, I wanna get in. Can I get down? I like the way you work it. No diggity, I got to bag it up. I like the way you work it. No diggity, I got to bag it up. I like the way you work it. No diggity, I got to bag it up. I like the way you work it. No diggity, I got to bag it up. She's got class and style. Knowledge by the time. Getting up hot wild. Be on the ground. Just feelings is alone. Let me tell you how it goes. Herbs the word, spins the verb. Lovers hit curves so frequently. I'm rolling with the fatness. You don't even know what the half is. You got to pay to play. Just for shorty bang bang to look your way.
Awesome. Thank you for the demo, man. I appreciate you showing me. You too. Yes, sir. I do a lot of videos, so. Awesome. Can I see the back? You do? Awesome. Yeah, I would love to see the back, see everything. It's really clean. Everything looks really good.
Well, you know my buddy Rob Diaz. He's the one that helped me.
Yes, sir. Okay.
He used to be Rob's car.
Yes, sir. Nice. Good. Very nice. I like how you got space here still.
Yeah.
You got a good bit of space so it doesn't...
I think it's nice. The box ain't bolted down yet. It bounces around a little bit
Yes,
here
okay.
and there, but it's so heavy it kind of just stays in the same spot.
Awesome.
Thanks
Thanks for the demo. Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Play on, play it. Play on, play it. Yo, Trey, drop the verse. It's going down, page of Black Street. The homies got at me, collab creations. Bump like gasoline on town. I put it down, never slouch. As long as my crew can vouch, that's all couldn't catch me saying. Who could stop with Trey making moves, attracting honeys like a magnet, giving them orgasms with my mellow accent. Still moving this flavor with the homies Black Street and Teddy, the original shaker. Down, good Lord. Baby got 'em open all over town. Strictly this, you don't play around. Cover much ground, got game by the town. Getting paid is a forte. Every day, through away. I can't get her out of my mind. Wow, I think about the girl all the time. East side to the west side, pushing fat rides, it's no surprise. She got tricks in the stash, stacking up the cash, fast when it comes to the gas. By no means average, as long as she's got to have it. Baby, you're a perfect 10, I wanna get in. Can I get down so I can? I like the way you work it, no diggity. I thought to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I thought to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I thought to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I thought to bag it up. Curves the word, spins the verb. Lovers it curves so rolling with the fatness. Don't even know what the act is. You got to paint a plan. Drop the verse. It's going down, page of Black Street. The homies got at me, collab creations. Bump like gasoline on top. I put it down, never slouch. As long as my crew can vouch, that's all couldn't catch me. Stop with Trey making moves, attracting honeys like a magnet, giving them orgasms with my mellow accent. Still moving this flavor with the homies Black Street and Teddy, the original shaker. Baby got 'em open all over town. Strictly this, you don't play around. Cover much ground, got game by the town. Getting paid is a forte. I can't get her out of my mind. Wow, I think about the girl all the time. East side to the west side, pushing fat rides, it's no surprise. She got tricks in the stash, stacking up the cash, fast when it comes to the gas. By no means average, as long as she's got to have it. Baby, you're a perfect 10, I wanna get in. Can I get down so I can? I like the way you work it, no diggity. I thought to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I thought to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I thought to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I thought to bag it up. curves, the word spins, the verb. Lovers, it curves so free. With the fatness, you don't even know what the half is. You got to pay to play. Just a shorty bang bang the.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.